Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I got my Ford serviced, and as promised I will post an update on how things are looking now. So first things first, they did replace the whole clutch set. That includes the flywheel, the pressure plate, the clutch disc, and the release bearing. And if you've seen my previous videos, I did complain about a faulty flywheel and a faulty release bearing that were making some noise in the transmission. The clutch disc, well, it has seen better days, but it's not the worst I've seen. The way you can tell when a clutch disc is bad or not by these rivets. When they sit at the same level as friction material, or heaven forbid even higher, then the clutch disc needs to be replaced desperately. But at this point it probably would have lasted a bit longer, but since I'm replacing the flywheel, then why not replace the whole set? And if these rivets get higher than the friction material, then they start to damage the pressure plate or the flywheel. Pressure plate, well, it's not too bad. The shiny part where the clutch disc touches the pressure plate, it's nice and smooth, that it should be. No grooves. The springs are all there. Then there's the release bearing. As you can hear, it's quite noisy. The way you can tell this is when you press the clutch pedal halfway down, when the release bearing starts to touch the pressure plate, it can make a grinding noise, and on some occasions a loud whining or howling sound. It's especially when it's cold outside, which is exactly what my car had. But now that this all got replaced, the sounds are gone. And of course the flywheel. But I won't talk about it now. I will later upload a different video where I'll talk about my flywheel case and a possible conversion from dual mass flywheels to single mass flywheels. Other things that got fixed are the tensioner pulley and the alternator pulley. The tensioner pulley was in a really bad shape, and I was hoping that replacing the alternator pulley would make that whining sound go away that I talked about, I think, in my last videos, but unfortunately it did not. So I talked to my mechanic, and he thinks that it actually might be the turbo, and the reason it's making it that there's too much play in it. But anyways, I got a service appointment later in August. Well, they will take the turbo off and take a closer look at it. That's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next.